Hi everyone, let's unbox my MagSafe Super Touch mirror selfie screen, and I got the RKX40p Ultra model, which is the highest that I am aware of, okay, because I actually wanted something that did what I wanted. And this one is the only model that I know about that is touch screen, so you can actually operate your phone through this little screen you're seeing here. Other models exist, but they just act as a Bluetooth remote, but they are not touch screen. Okay, so this comes with the type C to C cable. You can actually connect this to your phone and get it to show what is on your screen on this little screen. This is also the lanyard that I will be attaching so that I can hang it or secure it whenever it's attached to my phone or whenever I want to use. And this is the little magnet that you can glue to phones that don't have MagSafe, and of course the manual, which I will be going through properly. So I'm just going to show you guys how to pair this to your phone. If you pair it wrongly, just know that you would think the touchscreen doesn't work. Okay, I did that the first time, but later on I figured it out. And then this is just how it attaches to your phone. You can use it on phones that have MagSafe. If your phone case also has MagSafe, it will work perfectly well. So this is just what it will look like, and I got this screen so that I can use my back camera perfectly. Okay, so to pair, you just need to turn this on, and then on your phone you need to swipe down to the control center, turn on Bluetooth and connect to touch X40p. Do the same with your Wi-Fi, connect to touch X40p, and finally go to screen mirroring. Yes, you need this part. Okay, it's very important. And once you do this, go to settings, accessibility, and turn on zoom. Without this part, just know that the touch screen will not work and you won't be able to control your phone from the device. So here I am screen recording my phone so that you can see all what I can do. I can swipe on the device and my phone will actually do the same thing. I can focus, I can switch from photos to videos, I can record videos, basically all what you would do with a Bluetooth remote and more, because I know you can't focus with a Bluetooth remote. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this in real life setting, because I love to record hair care content. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this. Okay, another thing I forgot to mention is that your phone has to be on HD 30 frames per second for you to record without any form of lagging. Okay, but when you connect the type C to C cable, you can still record, but just try HD 30 frames per second. Okay, and then there are other apps that do the same thing this thing does, but this is way better. I didn't spend 60k for nothing. So you should know that I have tried other apps, and one app is a power mirror. Yes, but it was giving me headache. Okay, but you see this one, this is very good. This is amazing. This gets the job done. This keeps me in frame. As you can see, I can actually have this in front of me and have my camera behind me and know when I am in frame. I can actually get my camera to focus on me and do whatever I want to do. I can get angles that I have never gotten before. Man, this is amazing. The best part is that I get to use my back camera, which gives me the best results. So if you like this, just make sure you get yourself one. It's an amazing buy.